If you ever heard the term wintertime blues, this is a perfect example. Imagine living where I am, where most of the days are gray and gloomy for a few months in the wintertime. A lot of people get winter depression during this time. Like Tomcat, he's sad because he can't go out. Right? I know. It's too cold for kiddies. Too cold for kiddies. I know. Tomcat, you're gonna last like 5 minutes outside. Looks like there's some sun to the west. We may get some sunshine today. Interesting enough, the GPS antenna is buried under the snow and ice, and it still receives a reception. That's pretty impressive. See, I told you, Tomcat. You wouldn't even last 5 minutes. And I know you want it out though. Tomcat, it's not my fault it's so ugly outside. You want it out. It's supposed to get up to -3 today. I'm not seeing that. It's like -20. The air intake's coming in -12 degrees. Oh fuck, come on buddy. Put it in 4-wheel drive, you fucking idiot. You don't buy a 4-wheel drive to drive around 2-wheel drive all day and fucking spin out in the street and hold people up. Cars on the wrong side. You can see clearly in the ditch somebody fucking went right in the cabbage. Yeah, it looks like a car with summer tires. When it's like this, I don't care. Black ice on the roads may look clean, but they're not. I just leave it in 4-wheel drive. It doesn't hurt it any. People are so afraid to use 4-wheel drive because it increases wear and tear, they claim, or burns excessive fuel. Then buy a fucking car. Buy a fucking car. I'll drive a 4-wheel drive all day long. Doesn't bother me at all. Oh, the sun is finally out. And it feels so good. Mission accomplished. Picked up this Eastwood benchtop powder coating oven. It's gonna be pretty exciting to try that out. This has been in my garage for the past year, and now I'm finally gonna finish it off. While I was there, you know I had to pick up the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3/8 gun, up to 210 foot-pounds of torque. 4-mode drive control to add to my collection. I got the 3/8 snap-on here. That'll be going to my work now. Well, it's time to start plugging away. I want to get that door hung. We need to attach our hinges, set her up, see how it's gonna sit, so we can start working on the rocker. Spent a good chunk of the morning after I got home filming videos on the Milwaukee tools on my other channel. Man, those things are incredibly badass. I'm gonna say that right now. Got my hinges set out here. Some reason I wasn't thinking when I ordered all this, and I didn't order enough to do all the doors just one side, which is okay, because I'm gonna have to order some other parts later on. Beauty about this tool is that you can angle it for these types of cuts. how we need to taper them. Check that. Last thing you want to do is put that hinge in wrong, because that would suck. And then that closes. Opens. Perfect. Found her in place. There's numerous ways that you can do that, but I'm just going to use a socket. Get that bad boy into place. I just spent the last little bit kicking the floor out, drove a pin in there, and I might have to put a come along, attach it to there, to the back of the frame, kind of tweak it a bit when the time comes. Let's get this door put on. Holy shit. You gonna die? That looks like big globs of Bondo I found inside this door. I'm not sure what that's all about. Kind of scared to find out. Just running the tap through all those threads. Last thing I want something to bind up. These, yes, they're exactly the same, so it does not matter which way that they go. This is where two people for sure would come in handy. I think I got one. I think so. All you have to do is get one stabbed. So what I want to do now is put the porter power on it and then jack it up. That window needs to come down. Alright, window crank still works. Liking that gap all the way around. Alright, things aren't working out the way I want them to, so I think it's time to shut her down, go get something to eat, come back outside. We'll try the powder coater out. I had the door lined perfectly, tightened it up, brought it out, then I realized those inside bolts for the main hinge, you can actually adjust them from inside. You can reach in through the side there. I just noticed that now, and I don't feel like getting set up again to do it right now, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. Car in the ditch. I must have sucked huge. Alright, just got back outside after sitting inside eating, taking a break, watching some YouTube. Felt like almost going to bed. I think I'm gonna try this lime green. First, let's bust out the oven. In all honesty, this is it. Powder coating oven. I'm just kind of makeshifting up a box here because I've never powder coated before. This is gonna be my first time. This is the part I'm going to do. It's a camera attachment I made. You guys will see it afterwards. The machining is a little on the rough side. There's some highs and lows. Obviously those are going to show up when we do it. That's why this is just a practice run. See what happens. Well, let's see what happens. Apparently I'll put a mask on to press the trigger. Hold it down while you spray. What could go wrong? Trigger. Guess that's it, over. Do I look kind of green? There we go. It's starting to flow now. Got the door wide open to help ventilate. But we got 10 minutes left, so I think I'm gonna go inside. I was just doing some cleanup. Well, the garage didn't burn down. That's a good sign. Things should be done. Looks done. I'm just gonna take it outside so it can cool off. Looks alright. So this is the green. Turned out alright. It's not as bright as I thought it would be. I was hoping for more of like a fluorescent green perhaps. Let's get it mounted on the camera. Oh shit. That turned out pretty sexy. I think it's motherfucking beer time now. Tonight we're gonna rock the old chill coot. Shut her down. Alright, you know what time it is? Motherfucking beer time. Got the old faithful here. Chilkoot, beer from the Yukon. A lot of things crammed into one day. It's 10 o'clock at night. My day started at 7:30. Got up, did some YouTube stuff, ran some errands, picked up the parts to finish some of the projects we did, filmed some videos for my other channel, worked on the car briefly, did some powder coating. Time to shut her the fuck down. Now that I know just how easy it is, there's going to be a shit ton of stuff that's going to get powder coated in the future. Definitely can't wait till it gets nicer outside so I can powder coat outside where it's not going to be such a mess. Anyways, I'm going to get going. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching.